Alright, this is my setup for my G14 Limitless. Around 35 pinion, 31 spur. I got the 2.8 because this is the V2 Limitless. I switched everything to 100mm tires, 2400 kV motor. I'm running on 4S, but I got it at 11.1 for voltage sag. They say I should do around 25 miles per hour, 125 miles per hour. So let's see if I can even get close to that. Yeah, make sure that's all. Let's get this set in my head. Okay, that should be about right. Just set up right here. Let's get my butt up here. Okay. What is the problem? I can't see anything on this transmitter. Well, let's see. See if we got moving, so that's connected. Track, start. Hopefully everything is working. Come back. Can you see behind me? Just make sure ain't nobody coming from behind me. I got a car in front of me. Well, let's try that. I ain't got no lights on this car, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see.
You're clear.
I'm clear. All right, let's see. Let's see what I can do. I think I'm straightened up. All right, here I come. Yeah, it would look like it went over 100. See if I can get it back now. It was pulling to the right a little bit though. Got it back. All right, let's see what it actually did. Stop. Read. 126. It did what it said it was gonna do. Said it was gonna do 125. It did 126. So, that's what it did. So, let's get the car back up here. All right, that was my little Thanksgiving pass. I just wanted to try. This is my first time running this car. So, but it said 125. Car did 126. So we'll see. I'm gonna check the data log and see what the voltage actually sagged down to. Make sure I got the full throttle and stuff like that, and see what the number was supposed to be with the voltage drop. All right, this is my data log from the run. My voltage only dropped down to 12.4. 12.4 is what my voltage dropped down to. These are the rest of the numbers on my data log. I did make 100%. 31,000 RPMs. My amps, I pulled a lot of amps, 556.8 amps. But this is what it looked like. So now I put that up into my little calculator thing. I changed it to 12.4 because that's what it said my voltage dropped down to. So I changed it to 12.4, but then it said I should have did 140 at 12.4 with this setup. So we'll see what happens. I did another run after this run, but the car got loose. So I cut that run short. But I'm gonna do some more testing. See what else I can get out of this car and out of this little setup I got up in here. And I'll let y'all know the results. So thank you everybody for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video. Alright, let's see. Here I come. The car had lost it. But I know, but it was losing control. It was sliding, so I had to stop it. I barely saved it too.